Good evening, ma'am. My name is Ronel Perez, Best Cream 3, Block 2. Return discussion about traffic, ecology, and economy. The Globe gets checklist. Number 1 is battery. Motor vehicle won't start, won't add battery, or it will until the runs out of battery in the middle of nowhere, leaving you stranded or stuck on the side of the road. Ang battery, ma'am, kabali imo gid siya i-check ang battery kay basin pag-abot sa National Highway mapaggan ka mag-con siya ng traffic. Number 2, lights fully functioning. Auto lights are safety, must have nighttime driving. However, unlight, ma'am, pag magbiyahe ko ng unlight, ma'am, importante gyud siya pag magbiyahe ko ng gabi kay para maimo makita nimo daan, ma'am. An oil. Automobiles need oil to lubricate all engine component. Too little oil the bad for the engine. An oil, ma'am, kabali dapat imo siya i-check sa imo sakyanan or motor kay para animo at imo sakyanan or motor dili madaot. Number 4, water. It helps the engine of automobiles from overheating. Always check to see that the car's radiator is properly hydrated, and water, ma'am, importante siya sa sakyanan naman para dili siya ma-overheat, para di siya madaot, para aniya radiator dili hydrated. Number 5, brake. Faulty brake are disaster waiting to happen. Lower the chance of meeting a road accident by ensuring Number 5, ma'am, brake. And brake, importante siya basta magbiyahe kita kay para if may lusungon, kabali dili siya mabulok by pagplusong. Number 6, air. Air. Keep the light, the pressure to prevent accident or decrease fuel economy. Balik ko na, ma'am. And 6, ma'am, air. Keep the right, the pressure to prevent accident, decrease fast economy. Dapat ang imo motor or sakyanan imo i-check ang hangin sa motor kay hangin sa ligid kung sobra daan ang hangin may posibilidad na mabuto, makakuha kita ng accident. Number 7, gas. Running out of gas in the middle of the highway is a fate anyone would want. Dapat, ma'am, siyempre magbiyahe kita dili sa kamudagan ng motor or sakyanan kung waray gasolina. Number 8, engine. Predicting an engine problem before driving off is better rather than to deal with it in the middle of the road. Kabali ang engine, ma'am, dapat imo sa kadiya i-check, ma'am, kay basin ang iya carburetor magkalipa dili basin maabot ka ng maglong ride ka tapos ang imo engine daot dili ka maabot sa imo destination. Number 9 is tires. Driving with word out tires can lead to fatal accident. So before leaving for a road trip, spend a new minute at check the tires of bulge, bumps, tears, and other sign of damage. Ang number 9, ma'am, tires, dapat mo, kung mag-ride ka, imo tanawon, ma'am, may muligid kung nipis na ba, baga, kung nipis, mas gabayloan, kay may mo sa kabali, plano na mag-trip. Number 10, ma'am, human error due fatigue, sleepiness, drunkenness, and the medical problem. Dapat, ma'am, imo self, imo yung kabali, i-disiplina kung yung mag-drive ko ng dili ko katugon, dili ka mag-drive na nakainom. Amo dito, ma'am.